our stream on the Crypto Pumper, and welcome you, all of you guys. So today we're broadcasting on top of the tops on the streaming platforms. It's YouTube, Binance, Huobi, and Gate.io, guys. Everywhere you can find us, and we will teach you how to earn and how to lose money, of course. So, okay, guys, let's start. So, hello, Mahmoud. Hello, Bella Deeps. June and other guys and Hamo, of course. So waiting for you guys till you are just joining. So tell me if my sound is okay. So we're trying to connect. Wait a second. I will check all of this stuff if everything is working or not. So we are right now checking up all this stuff. Okay. I believe we are fine. So wait a second, one more time. So how are you doing, guys? So let me first briefly, of course, say hello for you guys, and we're opening the bubble, so we have some red stuff, green stuff, and everything. But first of all, guys, I'm waiting for you in our YouTube channel. Our main YouTube channel, where can you find all of this stuff about the GameFi, about the crypto, about the security and the wallets, everything. And of course, we're waiting for you on our stream corner when you can go and actually ask me anything here on YouTube. And of course, we will be just continue to make some posts on texts on our feed, and of course, guys, in our Twitter, guys. So check out the Twitter to find some opportunities to get in, and of course my progress in GameFi and other stuff. So guys, everything is here. So you are welcome. You're welcome to joining our building. Okay. So Hamo asked me before the stream. So GeekFi, what's happening on the crypto market within the Fed speculations and other stuff. So guys, actually, we are on the start of the week, and this week just starting as usual. Don't see some big moves here. So actually, if you can see, so if we usually look out on the top 20, so my personal advice, so look at top 20 to understand the crypto market, because all of these big moves here with small tokens are not so crucial for the crypto market actually as the titans like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other stuff. Yeah. So what's going on here? So actually we see that the week is not so good for the how would say it is not so good in terms of the volatility. So actually we are just in our usual, how would say, corridor. So I'm waiting. So I'm still waiting, and you're waiting, I believe, some discounts on the Bitcoin. So that's why my follow here is continue to just up raising and down raising during the week. So I'm waiting Bitcoin till it goes for the 28, and Ethereum I'm waiting less than 1700. So 1700, yeah. So what else I want to say? So we can see, of course, the run of XRP. So if you guys think about it, you need to buy them. So you can, of course, in the long perspective, but hold on, guys, and I believe we can see some great stuff here, but it's not, it's not late. Any time is not late. So, and guys, I will repeat you. So our show here, so Crypto Pumper, $5 Crypto Pumper show, was born on the strategy that it doesn't matter when and how much crypto or just another assets are you buying. So the strategy is based on the habit. So we are providing the habit to invest periodically each time, so periodically you determine the periods and the number of your investments. So you are doing it every period for the consistent money, and you are trying to get the positions, and it's long a journey and story here. So you can uh, get this position even for years, to get even for years, or maybe, yeah, I don't know, maybe decades. No, not the decades, because this is crypto. It's so volatile. So if we're talking about the decades, of course, it's about the stock market. But about the crypto, so over the decades, you should make some sells and buys, of course. Yeah, so you will need to fix the profits and then decide what to do with this. Yeah. So what we're going to do today. So first of all, I want to speak about the Feds. Yeah, because Hamo asked about the Feds. So actually, they just there are a lot of speculations in US. So will they just raise the inflation rate or dump the inflation rate? And all of the serious theories, are just going around this statement. So the latest statement. So for example, Goldsby chairman said that he doesn't. He hasn't decided how he will vote at the meeting in September. It all depends on the microdata. So, and I must remind you guys that there are some president elections, yeah, so running up. So also they're just watching out what are the statements will be just provided by the candidates. Yeah, for example, today Trump said that he will make economy great again and open. Yeah, and actually he said that he's so I believe he's just familiar with crypto, so I believe he can move crypto ahead from the one hand. Yeah, so for example, Kashkari, the chairman of the Fed, said that they are not sure how necessary is it to raise the interest rate to reduce inflation to the target level of 2%, and reducing the inflation to the 3% in June is good news, and the decision on the interest rate in September depends on macro data. Yeah, so the same story here. Yeah, um, so the same story here. What about the Kaplan? Yes, ex-chairman of the Fed. So he said that the Fed is concerned about the sticky inflation, so it keeps the rhetoric on the interest rate unchanged. So, and he anticipated quite a lot of bank merger activity over the next year or two. So, I believe that actually you shouldn't, take over the all the statements of these people during the this run about the September, because all of this stuff is working against you. So any statement will work against you, because you will listen, you will provide you will not provide in your own opinion, for example, or analyzing the crypto itself, graphics, technical analysis, I don't know. So actually for me, as a hamster, a low bunker, so actually, it doesn't mean anything, because you cannot change anything. Yeah, so you cannot influence anything, because you are not a whale, you are not a chairman, you are not you know anyone who can influence the price, or who can influence or play with these guys. Yeah, so everything we can do is go for the market trends and see how we can earn here a little bit. And all of the predictions, of course, will be crushed by the big guys, until they said that the majority of people just providing the same the same expectations. So you can see the liquidations positions on each exchange, on global exchanges, market, and so on, and you will see, until people just trying to believe in some theory, or just taking up into account the news flow, trying to play with it. So you can actually be varnished with the liquidations if you're playing within the margin trading or speculating on the futures. So I don't say that that's bad instruments, but guys, it's very risky, so you need to understand how to do this and um, not trying to win, yeah, with the to try to win big guys. So every time you should understand that they will, uh, they are playing with you, so with your minds and with your money. So and it's just like I believe that, for example, future trading is a little bit like a roulette. So it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter that I'm not, for example, trading on futures. So sometimes I'm trading in futures, and you can see my positionings, my positions over the exchanges, for example. Yeah, so today I believe I will not be change. I will be not showing this stuff. So maybe we will make in how would say some promos with other exchanges. Some is BitFi and other stuff because they supported us with liquidity. So we just played a little bit. By the way, on BitFly. Um, I had plus 25 bucks on the recent trades. So nothing very crucial, but it's plus and it's great, yeah. But actually, you need to understand that all money were provided, so we have some lowered, commission rates and other stuff. So usually bloggers have some privileges. That's why I'm not trading, for example, on X100 or X200 or something like this. Yeah, crazy stuff. X10, for example, because guys, you need to understand that the bigger margin, the bigger commissions you are paying, because you are paying commissions within the whole margin. Okay, so I suppose it's understandable. And today we're just speaking about the standard follow here. Yeah. By the way, just type me in comments which crypto we should. So I'm just right now I have only technical, um, technical stuff just to watch the YouTube guys. So and to watch the YouTube comments. So if you guys are watching questions from the other streams, so you can just provide the question on YouTube. Just go on YouTube and ask them. For example, if you guys are just watching two translations in a row, I don't know if you are so crazy. So you can you can help other guys ask questions in YouTube, of course. So in meanwhile, in distant future, I believe that I will be able to read all the comments, but actually it's a little bit hard to speak with you guys and to read all the chats, all this crazy stuff. So maybe I will buy the maybe even some more mobile phones to just check out the mobile versions of the streams, because they run smoothly on mobiles more than the on the PC. So, or I should use a lot of emulators so it can, dump out my system. So actually, I have a good, PC, so gaming laptop. And by the way, on this Saturday, you will see my setup when we are just uh, showing you guys um, the guide on which devices people usually place Dana. So it's a short announcement, and I believe it will be interesting because the format is a little bit different from what we are doing right now in GameFi sphere. So I'm a little bit. I was a little bit, too chatty, but actually, so you're waiting till all the stuff is going on. So actually, today I wanted to buy some no Matix, Matix, no Matix right now. So I'm thinking of I'm actually waiting the Bitcoin a little bit, going a little bit down. That's why I haven't, bought it for a long time, and actually we need to buy the Bitcoin something around 100 bucks, I believe. But that's why I'm just diversifying with other coins. And we can see that the altcoins actually are very, sensible for the volatility. So that's why we can see that it's going, for example, down, and for example, within the daily stuff, yeah. So it's around right now minus at 10%, something around, yeah, so 8% on total. But if we're just looking in the perspective, so I'm thinking that it will be total up to minus 15, yeah, percents, and not just about, and this, downgrade will not be about the Bitcoin and Ethereum so ridiculously, but another about another altcoins. So that's why we need to take up the good positions, and trying to get a good enter with these coins, because in total I have a little bit less than 25% in both, but actually I want to have Bitcoin 25% just like a single coin. And what about Ethereum? I don't know yet. Maybe something around 15%. You should understand that to take up the more percentage is harder and harder each day, because we're investing in different cryptos, and making trades. So more crypto I'm entering, more I need Ethereum and Bitcoin to take more position. Okay, so let me see if my last transaction were successful or not, because I remember that it was a little bit stacking. So let me see. Oh yeah, flow. We've just entered the flow. 16 flow. Yeah, everything is worked fine, and it was 2x or it was BSC. I don't remember. Let's check it out again. Alchemy. Yeah, everything is working fine. So we're good to go. Actually, today is 31st. We haven't been trading for 2 days, so actually we can buy something on $10, maybe more a little bit, because actually we're a little bit breaking in the rules sometimes, but not. It's not just a part of the strategy; it's just a part of the show, guys. You need to understand this. So sometimes we're picking up more coins than usual because we want to support you guys, for example, or we can for example, to see the opportunity. And actually we have some free stuff here. So first of all, we have some liquidity from the Now Wallet. So Now Wallet is a sponsor of today's show, and of course I have some my personal liquidity, so I can buy a little bit more here, tokens than just proclaimed in the show. But it's not something like playing or cheating with the strategy of the system. So it's just the my personal will, for example, or just the showcase how you can just form your folio, because our goal here, and my goal here, personal goal here, to get the maximum positions before the bull run. Yeah, so that's why we're taking in account all of the possibilities we can do here, and to trading. Okay, so some more interesting news here today. So I found it before the stream, so I want to share with you some of the interesting stuff. So I believe that we've just made a short, stuff within the Fed. So I believe Hammer and Mahmoud will be just be happy with this news. So don't pay attention. That's my comment here. So Kawasaki said, "What the fucks? VSG claims economy is strong, but don't they know the stock market is up because Biden raised debt ceiling? America's debt is going up, so stock market going up. Nuts. America is broke. Still prefer gold, silver, Bitcoin, and actually, gold just raised up to 100% after not after the Robert Kiyosaki." Tweet, but about the market situation. So sometimes it's sometimes it's happening. So, but guys, actually, um, I like Robert. I've just read a lot of his books. Um, yeah, Poor Dad, Rich Dad, and yeah, and everything. But actually, his actions are rather not just the skeptical, but arguable, and every time he's just so flexible to go and market. So, guys, you need to be very attentive for the people you are watching and listening, even me, because I'm telling you. Uh, all, all of this stuff, and meanwhile my portfolio is minus 10%. By the way, guys, I'm showing it, and I will go with you all of this path, guys, because I'm strongly believe that my goal is my personal goal here is to quarter the at least quarter the my acquisitions. Yeah. So the acquisition cost is about, so we're just close to 1000, guys. Yeah, so we're closing in and closing in every time. So imagine if it will be just a bull run. So my point is here to make x4, at least x4 for this one. Hello, Alex. By the way, haven't seen you for ages. How are you doing? How are you doing? I believe you are good, and you're following your folio, so you are not wasting time on watching up silly shows. You are just watching up um, everything interesting, yeah, or just doing your trades. Okay. By the way, guys, do you have the strategy of the trading? I mean, your golden rules, or just the perfect timing of your trades, or maybe it's your routine. So tell me a little bit, because I have always. I'm not just a usual trader, because usual traders are just waking up and going to sleep after they're reviewing the charts, and they're reviewing all the charts and everything. Um, we need we need I have a lot of jobs here, and I have a lot of duties, so that's why I'm just my behavior is here is very, very simple. I'm just going in within the standard strategy. So it's not just the trading strategy, yeah, it's just the holding. um Hello, Armenia. Trading bot for sale, so I believe it's advertisement. Okay. Maybe Amin wanted to just provide us it for free, not for sale. Don't buy any bots, guys, because it can be very crucial. It can be scam, so you can be scammed. And today we will speak a little bit about the scams. And I believe what is the topic of this show? I haven't. Let me see. Blockchain basics uncovered. Okay, so the blockchain basics. I'm just uncovering you guys. Blockchain basics. Um, do not buy and trading bots until you know these guys personally. My trade is doing good today. Finally. Okay, June. Very nice. So, are you daily trader or not, or you're just the swinging trader? So, what is the difference between trading and daily trader and swinger trader? It's about the timings. So daily traders are usually trading in the time frame of the day. For example, swing traders are just trading for example, here we go. So here our strategy, we can say it swinger trader, yeah, for example, but our goals is like more like holding stuff. So if I would be swinger trader, so I will buy, for example, Ethereum on 1858 and sell them on to, for example, 1000. It's my trading strategy, yeah. So, and for the daily trades, you're doing the daily trade, and it's necessary to close your daily trade even it's not profitable, yeah. Why do you do so? Because you are trading, you need some liquidity to have trades, and it doesn't matter. So it doesn't matter if it's profitable or not, because if you are not closing the daily trade with without the profit, for example, with lose, so you're just losing the ability to make a new one trade, yeah, on the next day. Yeah. So if you guys interested in the daily trading, and we can actually, a little bit diversify our trading show, and I'm thinking about it because we're testing different instruments and so on and so on, and maybe we will form just couple of different portfolios, and I will show you my strategies, for example, on daily trade, on future trading, on, for example, copy trading, or everything. Yeah. So maybe we will open our maybe we will open up our daily trade account, for example, or a copy trading account or something. I don't know, guys, because it's a little bit difficult to do, because we're trying to broadcast everywhere, and sometimes so we do not want to break up the rules. So let me drink my tea. So today I'm just making the tea trading session. Okay, so um, what's going on? Yeah, so another one interesting stuff here is that the Tether excess reserves increased by 850 million to reach 303 billion, as leading stablecoin reveals. 72 billions overall exposure in USD bills, and unveils energy-related investments. So they had that stated in their report that they have a pure profit, and they just plan to make even more investments in the liquidity. You can read the latest assurance opinion on the consolidated reserves report here. So I'm immensely proud of most recent reserve attestation, reaffirming and unwavering commitment to the transparency, said Paulo Erdi, University of Tether. Transparency is not just a buzzword for us. It's a cornerstone of our philosophy. We believe that open communications and strong financials foster trust and reliability, and this is what the global community deserves, especially in a year devastated by many failures across the banking and crypto industry. So, hello, Sam Beckman. Our long-term goal has always been to drive innovation as a global player, pushing the boundaries, blah blah blah, continuously improving our reserves, attestation process, and etc. etc. So, guys, actually, when I see so pathetic stuff and everything, so I'm beginning to worry. Yeah, but of course, all of my stable coins usually are in USDT, BUSD, and the USDC. So, guys, actually, you need to diversificate your stable coins as well. Believe me or not, but actually, these stable coins are not so stable sometimes. Yeah. Um, what's interesting here, that the see that had the MA session, and he said that in contrary, that you shouldn't listen to the Tether guys, and they just testing the algorithmic stable coins there and so on. So guys, be very attentively for the stable coins. Another stuff, remember, last time I've just told you that France and Britain had been, watchdog probing WorldCoin crypto project. So right now the German staff is here. They said that they are just checking out all of this stuff. So actually, it sounds for me a little bit scary for the WorldCoin, and actually my point was actually to short WorldCoin. So guys, I believe you can earn some money shorting this, but it's not financial advice. Yeah, so I will check the. So let's check the coin market cap. So what about WorldCoin? Okay, so it's bouncing. Yeah, so it's bouncing. So it's going up and down during the day. So you can find some, you know, beautiful opportunities here, but actually, so they have a lot of backers. So, and actually, I believe there are a lot of short positions opened against the trend, and they can actually liquidate all of the stuff, guys. They can liquidate all of this stuff because they have so many strong bakers, and the majority of the coins are still in hands on big investors. They can do with this coin everything they want to do, yeah? They can do everything they want to do. So guys, be attentively. When the regulation, so, and actually the exchanges by themselves can regulate the market. So don't be silly, guys. Every time the prices are going up or down, so somebody is playing with your funds, guys, and with your stuff. That's why I'm not very consistent within the predictions about the, you know, big moves, for example, for the coins. So let me see. So they can then they can, you know, pull the price for a very long time. Yeah, so they can hold this price, wait until you guys and me will short all of this stuff, and then just, you know, liquidate of your all of your funds, just pumping it up, for example, 2 times easily, guys, easily. So you need to understand this. You need to understand this. Okay, so you can see, for example, I've shown you the last time my, you know, future trading. Yeah, so but actually I haven't put the stop loss here and the profit take profit stuff. I don't know. So it was only 2x. So actually I want to do this 1x because the liquidation price is too low. Yeah, so less than 100%. So be careful, guys, with such an actions, and of course buying long. So every time I'm just been asked, so short or long. Of course I like to short because um, crypto likes, you know, to to uh, to go down. Yeah, so crypto likes to go down, but guys, actually throughout the pure mathematics, the long positions are more stable and, you know, more healthy because you cannot be liquidated here. Yeah, so if you are not playing with margin, that's it. So another one interesting news: pancake swap to share trading fee revenue with cake token stakers. um, so PancakeSwap token stakers are set to earn additional rewards. So the decentralized exchange will share trading fee revenue with them. Especially fixed term cakes stakers will receive 5% of the trading fee revenues from all PancakeSwap V3 pairs. So guys, actually it's I don't know when they will just be providing this stuff, but actually my liquidity is in PancakeSwap with cakes. And when we're just remember, guys, when we were, you know, um, learning the basics of the staking, one of the questions was, what service do you believe in to, you know, staking? So is it safe to stake on Binance Earn or Huobi Earn, on Gate Earn, or just directly in the wallets or anywhere, or just directly on the project? So I've told that each variant is good. Yeah, so you can do this with taxes because they're just like the um, big guys who need your liquidity and can provide, for example, some high percentage. But guys, in terms of your just staking, for example, on Binance or on Huobi, on Gate, so your funds, you will not be able to get the um, how would say, native promotions, yeah, within the projects. Yeah, so you need to understand this. So if there will be some airdrops retro drops, anything, yeah. So you cannot say, okay, I was taken on Binance. I was taken on Binance. Give me the retro. No, you will not get. So you will get the bonuses only if you are using the native, platform. Yeah, with these coins. It's reasonable. Yeah, sometimes, but sometimes it's less risky to go directly on the exchange. And I will, for example, centralized and get your stable profit. And we're going for the interesting use here. Yeah, the car finance. So the number of stable pools using Viper have been exploited as a result of malfunctioning reentrancy lock. So, and guys, they lost 20, so 50 millions, something around 20 million, oh, 50 millions, guys. 50 millions bucks today were stealing from Curve. So around 20, hours ago, developers said that the versions are not safe. So 2.15, 2.16, 3.0, so are not safe. The developers began to address the issue first, but hackers were, faster. So pools were hacked. So such as CRV, ETH, LS ETH, MS ETH, ETH, PETH, ETH. So they were hacked. Assets worth around 100 million at risks. So the biggest losses were incurred by Alchemix, Debreach, Ellipsis, and yeah. So because all of them uses the pools of on Curve on their projects. However, other pools on Curve they just in safe, yeah, somehow. But TVL Curve has almost halved, and the price of the CRV token has dropped by 10%. So guys, I believe we will okay, let's see by the way. So this is the white hacker who just saved this money, but let's go for the CRV actually. Yeah, so this is the warning. Look at the price, and I believe today we will buy some. Because the crypto community will support Curve whenever, whenever, every time. Yeah. So maybe we will buy Curve DAO token. So let's see theory. What's happening? Kronos, not Kronos. CRV. So we have in Ethereum and on the Arbitrum and on Polygon chain. So we will buy it on the. I believe we will buy it on Ethereum. I want to buy it on Ethereum. It was unpredictable, that, yeah, guys. Maybe Arbitrum. I don't know. Let's go with Curve with ETH, and I will take on 20. So it's a great discount. So maybe we should buy just 30. What's happening? Oh, because the rate is not fixed. Yeah. Okay, 25. Okay. Let's do this. So in the pure, it will be something around 20, yeah, I believe. So I just must remind you guys that our strategy here, when we're just provided by liquidity, we're just getting the crypto by its initial price, by the market price, and uh, taking only the pure result. Yeah. So That's how we're just doing it every time. So drastically, um, the founder of Korov, Michael Igorov, holds a third of the coin circulation in the collateral position in AVI. So if this position is liquidated, it would be followed by cascading liquidations, guys. So that's why is very crucial here. But the chance of this seems quite small, guys. So do not be don't be foolish. They will control everything because I don't think so, um, because he has taken a proactive stance, so he's consistently in touch, replenishes the position, so he does everything to prevent this from happening, guys. So you can check all the situations on the network. So I believe the news will be just flowing and flowing, but I believe so we can support somehow the curve, of course, by buying the coin a little bit, yeah. And of course, I believe that on these falls, it's a good chance to get in the coin. Um, but of course, for example, in the situation with multi-chain, so I hadn't dive in there because the multi-chain is too young. So the curve is the whale of DeFi services. Yeah, so you need to understand. So if either a compound or curve are being hacked, for example, it doesn't matter they will closed, yeah, recently, because they can hold up the situation in their hands. And guys, believe me or not, but it's not the first and not the last hacking move here. And I believe that other bridges, other stuff, other protocols which are using Curve protocol or fork of Curve protocol can be at risk. So guys, pay attention on these projects and do not place your money in such versions of the Curve protocol. Um, this is flat. So Deep said that this is flat moment for a crypto. Yeah. I lost 33% in 10 days. Oh my god, Deep. Um, so have you been fixed your losses or not? So, do you use the margin of future trading? So I don't know. So, because the point here, Deeps, that instead, so remember Warren Buffett, do not lose money. 3 rules, yeah. The first one is do not lose money. The second one is do not lose money, and the third one, do not lose money. So until you are fixed your losses, you are not lost. But actually, if you are playing, for example, within the future trades, of course, you can be liquidated in some moments. So that's why I do not recommend to use the uh, risky instruments if you're a newbie here or you are a lone banker, because um, so your risk management we will talk it about bit later in future issues. So your risk management should be staying in in the rules, yeah. So you need to have the rules, and you shouldn't take your all your free investments in high risky instruments here. So the crypto itself is risky, yeah. So yeah, so if you are still holding, so if you're not selling, so you're holding, so I haven't lost it yet. Yeah, so you haven't lost it yet. But for example, so I don't know your trading strategy, yeah. So you hold investing strategy, I don't know it, because I understood that, for example, June has the daily trading strategy, and she must, for example, trade during the day frame, because if they, for example, if she trades 1000, so listen here, so they're trading, so June trading, for example, 1000, yeah. So she wants to have 5% um, profit, so she is just relying on 5% profit every day, for example, yeah. Maybe 2% profit, doesn't matter, maybe 1%, maybe 1% in 10 bucks, yeah. So she has 1000, so she open trades and close trade during the day. So For example, her risk management strategy is that she is opening the positions on $100, for example, 10% of her, depot, yeah, and she's closing, for example, so she opened 10 deals every day, and she's closing these deals every day, and she's expecting one or two, for example, percent, yeah. So 1 or 2% profit from the 10 deals. So from 1,000, it's around $10, yeah, for example. So if she will not, for example, she see that she's losing, for example, 0.5%, yeah, or for example, so little, for example, 0.01% or something. So she must close these deals and get these losses, fix these losses, because the next day her profit should be, compensate all of this stuff. If she would wait, for example, so it's not a daily trade anymore. No, I lost with the new stone from the Binance. So I've just shared to you, yeah, so some time ago a little bit. So the last time I've showed you how the projects who are just listed on the Binance are just behaving themselves. So all the investors are in minus, and I've showed you that it's better sometimes to go straightly to the short in position. Okay, so what's next? Sues Richard Hart of Hex. Remember Hex? We just were watching Hex when they just been falling down. So and Pulse Chain for LRGBD selling unregistered security. The same issue with the XRP, but Hex is not so big. A price crash in the low sweet sec noted of the price. Hex is down in 98% from all-time high, and the tokens for the other two projects are practically worthless. SEC claims Hart defrauded investors by misappropriating at least 12 million customer funds. Not so big amount, yeah, in comparison with others. This included McLaren, Sports Car, Ferrari, and 5 watches. Okay. Let's see the Hex. I believe they just falling down even more. Oh my! Look at this! Look at this! Look at this! Yeah. What do you think, guys? Actually, it's quite risky. So I've showed you that the market cap is quite big. So the volume is quite big. Yeah. So the Hex, retard Hex was a scam. Check the graph. Lol. Altcoin fund has been sued, so it's a FUD right now. You can actually so actually it's very interesting situation. Yeah, it's very interesting situation. Actually, I would like to buy. Everyone is waiting. So, but actually, I do not believe in Hex so big, because Hex has the scheme a little bit. So let me watch if I had it in my wallet actually. On the Ethereum networks. Very juicy, yeah. So sometimes you can do such stuff, but actually, do you think that they will survive till crypto winter? Let me see the whole year. Yeah, so they have all-time high. So remember, guys, they just were bouncing, yes, in September, like the other all-time highs. Yeah, had a little bit pump here, So I don't know. I don't know. It's a little bit risky here, yeah? It's a little bit risky here. So you can take it, maybe. I don't know. Okay, June said I have always have money to cover margin. I trade from 5 to 8% of the deposit only. So 5 to 8% is quite big amount, yeah. What about the hex? What about the hex? Let me compare if they have renewed the if the rates are equal right now. Hey, what's going on? What's going on? They trying to block me from the trades? Okay. No, something is wrong here, so the exchange rate is not good. Oh, it's falling and falling. So let's go for the markets. Mm-hmm. Polonix, BitGet, hit BTC. Oh my gosh. We can go for the uni. By the way, has anybody just check up the Uniswap wallet? I haven't checked it yet, so maybe I should. So I have some USDTs here. But I will. Yes, I understand. I believe that's right, Hex. So point 7. Yeah. Let's see. Okay. Let's see the gas price. $9. Let me see. Oh no. Oh no. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. That's why I hate DEXs for some reason. So we can go for the Polygon actually. Do I have on something on Polygon? Let me check. Okay, I have some. Oh, I have some USDT here. So let's go for the hex. Oh, better to take. Better to take it from the listings. Okay, it's it. So okay, let's go for the 13. That's why I like Matic in terms of the DEXs, DeFi services. Yeah. Okay. Come on, come on. Everybody want to buy the Hex token. So that's how can you can use um, the news flow in your daily trades, for example, yeah, or your swing trades. But believe me, guys, this news flow can bring you to down actually as well, because for example, if I'm sure for curve that they will be in some time bouncing up, so I'm not sure about the hex. Oh, guys, I'm not sure about the hex actually. Oh, come on. I haven't confirmed. Sorry. Okay, $13. So let me. So you need to be aware of all of this news and all of this stuff here. Okay, adding the hex coin, hex. Okay, USDT per unit, total value. Okay, amount. We've got for $13, and we will add the description so it's on polygon, polygon. Yeah. Let me see if it's working. No, something. Oh, it's even profit right now. Yeah. So right now the price is showing me a little bit even more. Yeah, but you shouldn't, 100% believe this, because all of this stuff can be, can be not fetch with the real market price one to one. Yeah. So because sometimes the oracles are not working properly, so you need every time to check out the prices here and there and everywhere. So that's why I'm just waiting the bull run when it will be just X4. Yeah, and you will be not watching up the cents. Yeah. Okay. But actually, I don't know. It's shown hex, but I haven't hex before, but it's showing -26. I don't understand. Okay, so let me see. So the amount. Let me see. Yeah, so seems everything is okay. Seems everything is okay. Um, I can get, for example, for the currency per unit, for example. But the yeah, buy price is just okay, so it's okay. Everything is working fine. So how do you feel about this, guys? So it's a little bit risky, but I've just taken up two positions, which are risky. So I believe that my risky stuff. So I had less than 5%, 20 to 50 volatility right now, and up to 20% volatility about the 36%. Sorry, 20 up to 20%, so 36%, and majority with low volatility. Yeah. So this is, I don't know. Is it legal for the crypto? I don't know. So yeah, we're just on the flat positioning. So trying to find the best options to come in. So guys, I believe you just like our today's stream. So do not hesitate to join our socials to be to get the announcements firsthand about all of the stuff we're doing in crypto. So guys, love you all, guys, and have a happy week. So yeah, who knows? Who knows? Okay, bye bye, guys. Love you all, guys.